Dr. Oz, stomach sneeze reflex. Do you sneeze when you are full? Dr. Oz was asked by Marianne, a woman in his audience, why she sneezes a few times in a row whenever her stomach is full or when she has a large meal. You will be shocked by Dr. Oz's answer on the next few seconds. Dr. Oz said that some people, very few, have a stomach sneeze reflex. Your stomach has autopilot nerves that tell your brain when it is close to full, and these nerves are very close to your sneeze nerves. In only 2 families have scientists seen where these nerves cross on so people sneeze when they are full. Very interesting. Please don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel.